Meaning of earthworm.
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 Earthworm. An earthworm is a type of animal that lives in soil and helps to break it down. It is a tube-shaped creature with no legs or eyes, but it has small bristles called setae that help it move through the dirt. Earthworms are important for maintaining soil health as they digest dead plant material and excrete nutrient-rich waste that fertilizes the soil. Some species of earthworms can even regenerate their lost segments, making them a fascinating and resilient creature. Overall, earthworms play a vital role in ecosystem health and sustainability.